Here I've got Alcatel 5V, and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at first you have to open a list of all applications, find and select the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and pick System. Now go to About Phone, so it's also the last icon, scroll down a bit, and here you'll notice build number, so keep tapping on it. And as you can see, now we are a developer. So let me go back a bit. And now over here, developer options appeared. So let me open it. As you can see, this option enables you to perform various of very advanced operations. For example, you can show all ANRs, you can profile GPU rendering, you can strict mode enabled, so you can simply tap over here to flash screen when apps do not long operation on main thread. Then you can also show GPU view updates, force GPU rendering, and all the others. So actually it's up to you which options you will use. If you would like to switch off developer options, simply tap on this switcher. Let's go back, and as you can see, they disappeared. So that's it. This is how you can become a developer in your Alcatel 5V. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.